Well, a quiet night for us here in the FM area. A little more rain would be very beneficial to many across the region, as many areas below average for this time of the month by around an inch. And our temperatures heading into our evening hours still on the mild side. It is 80 degrees out there. A few clouds mainly to the north and east of the FM area. Some thunder showers tried to form just east of the metro. Those are moving north now. 79 in Moorhead with winds gusting still to 33 miles per hour. And that south or southeast wind has continued to keep things very mild here through the Red River Valley, near 80 degrees. Temperatures about 10 degrees cooler in Jamestown and Devil's Lake. Looking out into Lakes Country, cooler air still as we look out towards Bemidji and Wadena, where there were thunder showers today, and hail up to the size of 1 1/2 inches in parts of Wadena County. And as storms work their way through the Red Lakes area, we saw some 1 1/4 inch hail reports out there. Here's a couple of thunder shower cells that tried to form in Norman County. Not a lot of lightning or anything associated with them, just some brief heavy rain possible, maybe not all of it reaching the ground as it moves through parts of central Polk County here over the upcoming hour. Also, we have some showers and thunder showers up near Olga. They'll be moving in towards Walhalla as we go through the next several minutes, but these are moving more in a northward direction as we head to bed tonight. Most of the valley on the quiet side. We had some funnel reports out to the west as some low pressure out there and some spin in the atmosphere caused some weak funnels to dip very close to the ground by some photos that we saw online tonight. And that area of spin is heading our way. Let me show you what I mean. Tomorrow, we're not going to have that high heat and that air that really lifts and creates big-time hail or real damaging winds. The way things look, we won't see a widespread severe weather outbreak as we go through the day. But the atmosphere will have some spin in it, where the lower levels will have that spin working its way our way. In the afternoon hours, it begins to peak in the central Dakotas, then slowly works its way eastward as we go through the afternoon. By the evening, that spin decreases substantially. So we could see some funnel clouds up there that are spinning, and there would be a chance of a brief tornado or two as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. Here is your hour-by-hour forecast, and we'll show you what that spin might look like on the radar. First and foremost, tonight as we go through the evening, we're not done with showers and thunderstorms yet, but I don't anticipate severe ones. Our model is predicting that somewhere in the wee hours of the morning, we'll have showers developing along the I-94 corridor and points north, and they will have that same northerly direction thanks to our south wind. Temperatures in the mid-60s to start your day. Now, the best chance of morning showers as you're heading out the door looks to be north of Highway 2. As we go through the midday hours, temperatures will rise, but not as hot. We'll see some 70s, but in the afternoon, some showers and thunderstorms will develop both to the east and west of the FM area, and that's because we'll have an area of low pressure moving right over the region. South winds ahead of it, north winds on the backside, and if you watch this radar data here, the midday and early afternoon hours will bring the best chance of seeing some of these funnel clouds. Watch this just kind of spin counterclockwise as it moves through the valley. By 5 o'clock, things start to wind down a little bit, and our chances diminish into the nighttime hours after temperatures peak only near 80 as opposed to the 90s. 64 to start the day, ramping up and kind of wobbling around in the 70s to near 80 for your afternoon. And the best chance of thunderstorms that could bring some of those spin-ups in the Fargo area will be a little later. The best chance will be out to the west. 70 for Langdon, 77 Roseau. The heat down in the south as we go through the afternoon, but no 90s. We're talking 80s to go through your day. A gorgeous setting Sunday, or rising Sunday sun there in Sabin. Thanks, Gene, for uploading your photo. After a wild weather Wednesday, Thursday looks quieter. Andrea, 80 degrees. When we close out the work week, warming up on Friday, late night storms into Saturday will bring a punch of cooler air with a decent chance of scattered showers and storms to start the weekend and isolated showers and storms to begin the work week. A lot more 70s on that 7-day planner, though.
And a lot less quiet than storms.
And we could certainly use some rain around here, so we hope we get some.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Hutch.